Hmm? It's so dark. Ah. Look at the clouds, Baba. Oh. Very interesting siya, guys. So, look, buddy. See? Look at the clouds. It's so dark. Going to rain, right? Oh my gosh. It's very windy. So scary, buddy. It's just 2 something in the afternoon, guys. At napaka dilim na ng kalangitan. Right, buddy? So what does it mean? Huh? We can't go jalan-jalan. Yay! I'm so sorry, buddy, today. We cannot jalan-jalan. Napakadilim na, guys, ng kalangitan. Tingnan nyo. Mukhang uulan. Napaka-dark, Baba. Oh, yeah. So dark. Ayan na, guys. Umuulan na. Umuulan na po. It's raining na po. Oh no. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little Dinesh wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Are you sad? Come on, let's sing a song na lang, Baba. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little Dinesh wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Heavy raining, guys. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little Dinesh wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little Dinesh wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Now it's heavy. Lakas na, guys, ng ulan. And my baby Dunlex wants to go out. He wants to play outside. Buddy, buddy. Oh no. Just close the door, buddy. Close the door. Look at outside, buddy. Baba. So very, very heavy. It's so heavy. Come on. It's so dark, guys. It's So mabango, so mabango, mababango, mababango, mabango ang bata, mabango, mabango ang bata-bata. Oh no, guys. Ayan. Ala. Ang lakas-lakas ng hangin, guys. Kita niyo yan? Akala nyo bagyo na. Ayan, oh. Sobrang lakas ng ng hangin. Akala mo bagyo na. Bagyo na yan sa atin, guys. Signal number 1 na yan. Ayan, oh. Sa atin, signal number 1 na yan. Sobrang hangin. Oh my gosh, buddy.